Hi, first graders. So we're going to be practicing addition fluency. So our learning target is I can practice adding to 20 fluently. So remember, when we're adding or subtracting fluently, that means that we just know it in our heads, okay? So let's review. Addition. So we know addition, a number sentence is part plus part equals whole, okay? So we know 3 plus 2 equals 5. And our parts are 3 and 2, and our whole is 5. So now I'm going to show you a series of number sentences and you're going to say the answer, okay? So 8 plus 6 equals what? 14, right. So let's say it together. 8 plus 6 equals 14. Let's do the next one. 4 plus 1 equals, right, 5. Let's say it together. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Right, let's say it together. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 9 plus 8 equals, right, 17. Let's say it together. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 10 plus 6 equals 16. Let's say it together. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 3 plus 4 equals 7. Let's say it together. 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Right, let's say it together. 7 plus 3 equals 10. And don't forget that 7 and 3 are friends of 10. 10 plus 2 equals 12. Let's say it together. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 12 plus 4 equals 16. Let's say it together. 12 plus 4 equals 16. 9 plus 3 equals 12. Let's say it together. 9 plus 3 equals 12. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Let's say it together. 10 plus 10 equals 20. Great job. So today you're going to practice this some more on your exit ticket and you're going to answer some addition problems. Have a great day.